RJTI charts. I told you gold, silver, platinum would explode. If you didn't listen to me or didn't add gold to your portfolio, then you just missed our right. But it's not like I didn't tell you. And if you remember what I've told you for years, that I have some of the most powerful algorithms on Wall Street. Okay, let's put this up quickly for discussion. Do an AI search or Google or whatever. Put this in your search bar. Did any major firm like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan Chase, BlackRock, or any other gurus like Jim Cramer or other major investment firm on Wall Street forecast in 2016 or 2017 or 2018 that gold was to hit $3,000 an ounce, or silver $75, or platinum $3,000 an ounce? Answer: based on an analysis of market sentiment and forecast between 2016 and 2018, major Wall Street firms, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, BlackRock did not forecast that gold would hit $3,000, silver $75, or platinum $3,000 during that specific time frame. Gold, silver outlook, 2016, 2018. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan in 2016, 2018. These firms were generally neutral or cautious on gold. The focus was on rising U.S. interest rates and a strong dollar, which are typically bearish for non-yielding assets like gold and silver. Jim Cramer. In February 2016, Cramer noted gold was entering a terrific story, but typically suggested using pullbacks to buy. By mid-2018, he was suggesting gold might rally to $1,350, $1,400 after finding a floor, a far cry from $3,000. General sentiment. The $3,000 gold forecast only became a topic among mainstream financial institutions much later, specifically around 2024-2025, driven by post-pandemic inflation, massive central bank buying, and geopolitical tensions. This is established facts from Google. But if you didn't delete your receive Ramo email we sent you countless times in 216,217, 2018, I told you so. Gold hit a low of 1,045, Dexa 2015. And as of this writing, currently has hit a high of 1,269.3, March 2016. Our target remains 1,300. And if all being equal, we are right in our global concerns assessment. Our target of $2,500, negative $3,000 an ounce, remains intact. But we also told you about silver and platinum through our target of $75. Silver and platinum, $3,000 an ounce over those years too. Yet to spare you an abundance of reading. We never say anything that we don't have the receipts for proof, and they may still be in your inbox. What we've done is forecast gold up to $5,000 an ounce and recently raised our target to $5,800. Silver has hit just shy of our $125 target and looking to revise higher. And platinum will trade our $3,000 an ounce target forecast in 2017. Again, all of these forecasts were 8-9 years before major investment firms or gurus on Wall Street. This is not the only thing we've put in your mailbox previously. Many of you got our Black Swan event warning that forecast 1 was to show up in year 2020, and our forecast that the Dow Jones Composite would fall 10,000 points. This forecast presented to you started in March 2019 until our last warning, the 27th of December 2019. And by godly, were we right. And the 27th of December 2019, 10:34 a.m., Rjticharts versus 2020 is going to be so interesting, laced with black swans that may unfold, gold, silver, U.S. Treasuries to the rescue. A world event that occurred unlike anything in the last 80 years. So, what is our point? We have some of the most powerful algorithms on Wall Street, and because of such, we are never lost as to when to buy or sell, or to have a clear understanding of what is bullish or bearish for any equities, futures, or Forex, and now Bitcoin and Ethereum cryptos we followed for some time. There have been so many accurate assessments we put forth, and it's too many to mention, but a few are our forecast for a bear market or a decline to occur for 222,225 energy index to explode higher as it is as of the 30th of January 2026. Netflix to drop $500 as it has done. Meta, AAPL, REN, IT, GOOGL, BRKA, BRKB, MSFT. So many of these are on YouTube. Here's our offer. Come join us. Get your Ramo today. Rjticharts.com. Or there is also a way for you to have our methodology to utilize as long as you're qualified. Yes, I will train you how to use my trading system. And once you have it, you will be like us. It is a purchase, lease option, and yet you will be part of my RPAPA exclusivity club. I only allow 15 qualified investors in my exclusivity club, and I determine if you're to get in based on your temperament, financial power, your will to stick to the rules of my system, your dedication. 95% of the time, we want accredited investor, and there are rare occasions when we might accept you into our exclusivity club. You can call 1-888-521-3555 or 773-991-9993 for any question you might have. John Johnson, it is easy to see the trees that make up the forest, and it's even easier to see the forest that's made up of trees, but it is not so easy to see behind the forest. Rjticharts.com, driven by infinite wisdom and its proprietary trading systems.